Hello guys, it's me Sophia, and welcome to my first ever vlog. So first, let me introduce myself. I am Sophia Kyla Aguas from Stamp 1207 St. Maria Goretti. And for today's video, for my first ever vlog, I'll be showing to you how I make my plansel. And I will be also discussing to you the parts and the functions of it. So without further ado, let's get started. Plant cells are eukaryotic cells with a true nucleus along with specialized structures called organelles that carry out certain specific functions. The nucleus is a membrane-bound structure that is present only in eukaryotic cells. The vital function of a nucleus is to store DNA or hereditary information required for cell division, metabolism, and growth. Nucleolus makes ribosomal subunits from proteins and ribosomal RNA. It then sends the subunits out to the rest of the cell where they combine into complete ribosomes. Ribosomes make proteins. Therefore, the nucleolus plays a vital role in making proteins in the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum can either be smooth or rough, and in general, its function is to produce proteins for the rest of the cell to function. The main function of the smooth ER is to make cellular products like hormones and lipids. It also distributes those products throughout the cell and to places in the organism. The smooth ER also regulates and releases calcium ions and processes toxins. Cell membrane is the semi-permeable membrane that is present within the cell wall. It is composed of a thin layer of protein and fat. The cell membrane plays an important role in regulating the entry and exit of specific substances within the cell. Cell wall is a rigid layer which is composed of cellulose, glycoproteins, lignin, pectin, and hemicellulose. The cell wall surrounds the plasma membrane of plant cells and provides tensile strength and protection against mechanical and osmotic stress. Chloroplasts are organelles found in plant cells that are exposed to light. They are responsible for photosynthesis, in which carbon dioxide and water are converted into glucose and oxygen. Amyloplasts are organelles in plant cells where starch is made and stored. They are a type of colorless plastid called a leucoplast, which are formed from protoplastids. Starch is made of glucose molecules which are used as energy by the cell. Amyloplast's primary functions are the degradation and synthesis of a starch. Amyloplasts are not pigmented or colorless organelles known as plastids that convert glucose into starch and store it in the stroma. Mitochondria, they are the double-membraned organelles found in the cytoplasm of all eukaryotic cells. They provide energy by breaking down carbohydrate and sugar molecules. Hence, they are also referred to as the powerhouse of the cell. Golgi apparatus, they are found in all eukaryotic cells which are involved in disturbing synthesized macromolecules to various parts of the cell. It is the site at which the complex polysaccharides of the cell wall are synthesized. The Golgi apparatus is thus involved in processing the broad range of cellular constituents that travel along the circulatory pathway. Ribosomes are the smallest membrane-bound organelles which comprise RNA and protein. They are the sites for protein synthesis, hence also referred to as the protein factories of the cell. Ribosomes are responsible for synthesizing the proteins in all cells by a process called translation. And that's the end of my video. I hope you learned something and I hope you like it. Thank you!